Hello friends, this is RamaJMK, a full stack developer. In this video, we are going to see a React.js folder structure. Okay, so I opened, I think my screen is visible, right? Fonts also, I think, okay, it's medium. Okay, now we can stop this node module. So React.js, we are installed using that npm. That node module install for that what are all the packages we want third party or a React application running. There are some other packages is available. If that package is not available, then the server will not create, React.js will not work. So for that all the packages files, they will be stored in that node modules. Okay, so this public means for in our application we are using a image or audio video files, anything you want to display or download or exporting, converting, like that, anything we are doing, that image, the files will be stored in that public folder. It is public to in our overall application. Okay, so if we provided that a correct path, so in upcoming video I will explain how to access a public folder image files and all. Okay, so next one is that it is a very important src. Okay, so in that src there are asset folder. In that asset folder itself we can also able to set a image or files, so that will be accessible in that src files. Okay, so next one is that app.css is a stale. So this app.index file is that main file. So it is not a main file, it is a combining all our components and all our module into one file. So for that in this file we can in this file that output you can able to see that increment count. For that already one code is written. Okay, so for that it is incrementing, right? So this code has been added. So this one we are calling in that main.js file. We are getting that app. In that app we are setting that app. So all our what are all the modules or submodules, that all will be combined in app.js file. That app.js file will be display in that main.js file. This main.js file will only allowing to render. Okay, so I think this will be understand. Git ignore the when using a GitHub or GitLab. For that we are pushing our project into an third party server, right? So for that case, for security reasons, some other file we do not allow to store in that third party libraries clouds. For that case we can use that git ignore. For that git ignore we have we can list out what are all the files you need to avoid that will not stored in that git repository. For that called we are saying that git ignore. This uslint config.js file is that configuration of that react.js file for that js and jxs files rendering process. This is a default one, and this is a main file index.js. In that index.js, inside the root we are calling, right? In that root inside only what are all the things we are doing, all the key, what are all the sorry what are all the pages we are creating, right? That all that HTML content will be rendered in that root folder, and here itself we mentioned the module main.js file we are including. Okay, so based on this it will be displayed. Second one is the package.json. For the package.json, what are all the packages needed for that application, that all packages will be displayed here, and name, version required, and packages details will be displayed in that log package dot package underscore log dot json. Okay, so now see, and package.json, what are all the new packages we installed. So that will be displayed, the React and the React DOM. So this package and all we installed. This readme is that when we pushing that into our GitHub repository, for that preview purpose, this will be displayed in that our project, that will be make sorry, that will be make a more interactive for that when we seeing our Git repository for that interview purpose. This that we using that we installed, so read configuration file. So in that configuration file also we can we want to change anything, we can able to change. Okay, so I hope you understand. This is a folder structure of that React.js. In that src inside only we need to create a components. So in the src inside only we need to create a component. Components we already seen that reusable component, right? We can create one component. So in another page we can access that component. So again rewriting the code in single line, as one line of code we can display do that multiple line of code. So for the purpose we are using that component we already discussed. So this is a folder structure. I hope you understand. If you have any suggestion or feedback in comment section, you can mention it. Okay, bye.